Hello and a big welcome to all the technology enthusiasts. I, Dr. Ashish Manchanda, being the Board of Governor of Automation Expo 2025, wishes to invite all of you to attend this roadshow on 6th of June in Vadodara and also on 14th of June in Nasik. This roadshow will highlight a very simple trailer of a lot of new innovations which are going to come up in the forthcoming main event in August 2025 in Mumbai. These roadshows will give you a glimpse of what all is going to come in the future and the technology advancements as well as innovations in the field of automation. So please do join us for these roadshows and also for the main event. Thank you.